because we're Samsung, and that's just the way we're wired. The Samsung Galaxy S2.
Is she meowing them?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna do it just for the video where she can get them.
Well, she was getting them earlier.
You know when you push your hair to the breaking point? That's me, with the blow dryer and the flat iron, so I stay slow. So Pantene said, breakage and split ends, no problem. They gave me this Pantene called Breakage to Strength. The keratin protection framing system helps prevent, then repair split ends. With breakage for 100% more strength.
In her mouth.
The Breakage to Strength system from Pantene. Hair so healthy, balance. That's
Introducing
How high can you go?
revolutionary water
Oh, just go for the snowman.
No.
It's just the way you like it. Make it yours. Make it Neo.
The newest member of the Prius family has the space of a small SUV. And more ways to connect to your world. The all-new Prius V from Toyota. More Prius, more possibilities.
Want to see something neat?
Oh my god.
Where do you want?
It's called the Sony Entertainment Network. I can
No,
use it
thank
to
you.
rent movies, find movies, and I can play games.
No distracting her.
Nope.
And they get them all in one place.
Gia!
Pretty cool, huh?
When you turn on the cell, you can't
Yesterday, Jess was talking about how her sister's cat used to like those sticky hands, and that's basically what that is.
Yeah. She loves it.
I really wanted to go for the snowman.
Hey, 2 tickets just opened up on the 50. Yeah, about to go pick them up from Will Call. So 46 seconds ago. Did you guys hear that Chapman rolled his ankle? Get out there. So 12 seconds ago. You guys know to post videos to Facebook? You guys know to post videos to Facebook? Did you guys hear someone stole the other team's mascot? So 27 seconds ago. Stay a step ahead with 4G LTE, with speeds up to 10 times faster than 3G.
I want to see that video. That's funny.